If anyone wants to drink, let him come to me and drink.
Ole manatu au tu. Uvala au Iesu I fi inu. Jesus calls the thirsty. Ole mau mua mua. O Iesu le Vai Ola e malia ai lenga lala fa'ale anganga. Jesus is the living water that quenches spiritual thirst. Ioane matau e fa upu se fulu male tolu male se fulu male fa. A maua fai tau. Utali atu Iesu ufape atu ya teia. E inu le vai o te ia. Ale inu le vai o te atu ya teia. E le soke inu o ia whau. Ale vai o te atu ya teia. E a vei tonu ya teia mai puna. E puna inu le ola. John chapter 4, verse 13 to 14. Jesus answered, "Everyone who drinks this water will be thirsty again. But whoever drinks the water I give them will never thirst. Indeed, the water I give them will become in them a spring of water welling up to eternal life." Mata upu e lua se fulu ma le tasi, fai upu e ono. Amaua, fai tau. Ua whetalai mai whelo e a te au. Ua umona whai. O au lea le whamane o meka. O lea matana ma le ngata ama. O lea o kia inu o tuku. Koa I tua I nāti a te ia. Ai le puna o le Vai Ola. Revelations 21 verse 6. He said to me, "It is done. I am the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end. To the thirsty, I will give water without cost from the spring of the water of life."
But no, I'm not thirsty. Who gets that thirsty that it's in the Bible this many times? Like the story of the lady at the well. She seemed mad at the beginning. Anyways, we don't have wells anymore. So how does that help me? Who has wells anymore?
Yeah, we don't have wells, but we have other things.
What do you mean?
Look at your phone. How many times have you waken up and the first thing you do is check your phone before thanking God you woke up? How many times did you look to see how many people liked your post and didn't look to see what God would like?
O te